Stop! You have been eating golden berries the wrong way your entire life. Welcome back to Moonlight Food, your strategic partner in decoding the high-performance chemistry of the world's most elite superfoods. Most people look at this small orange fruit, often wrapped in a papery husk and called the Inca berry or Cape gooseberry, and treat it as a fancy garnish for a dessert or a simple tart snack. But by ignoring its specific fat-soluble requirements or throwing away its unique waxy coating, you are neutralizing the most potent cellular repair and hormone-balancing medicine in the botanical kingdom. To understand the true power of the golden berry, we have to look back at its ancient roots in the high-altitude Andes Mountains of Peru and Chile. For thousands of years, the Incas revered this fruit not just for its survival calories, but as a sacred tonic for respiratory health and skin vitality. This isn't just a berry, it is a high-tech biological shield designed by nature to thrive under intense UV radiation, concentrating a massive amount of protective compounds that act as a high-performance defense system for your own DNA. When we dive into the nutritional architecture of a golden berry, the results are a masterclass in rare plant chemistry. While it is loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, the real secret lies in a group of rare compounds called withanolides. These are naturally occurring steroidal lactones, similar to those found in ashwagandha, which have been scientifically shown to exhibit powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic properties. Furthermore, golden berries are a massive source of linoleic acid and oleic acid, healthy fatty acids that are critical for your brain health and maintaining the integrity of your cellular membranes. But the standout feature is its high level of bioflavonoids, which act as precision-tuned modulators for your immune system. When you eat a golden berry, you aren't just getting a nutrient boost. You are providing your body with a targeted chemical signal to lower systemic inflammation and stabilize your metabolic rate. The health benefits of this jewel of the Andes are especially profound for your liver function and your vision. The high concentration of carotenoids in golden berries work as internal armor for your retinas, protecting your eyes from the high-energy blue light of modern screens and preventing macular degeneration. For your liver, the withanolides and specialized antioxidants work in perfect harmony to reduce the accumulation of fats and protect the organ from oxidative damage. Moreover, the unique fibers and organic acids in golden berries act as a natural digestive aid, improving the absorption of nutrients and clearing out systemic toxins. It is a complete internal purification and protection system wrapped in a vibrant orange skin that keeps your body's internal systems running with the precision of a fine-tuned machine. However, the reason I told you that you are eating it wrong is due to the fat-solubility error and the husk mistake. First, many of the most powerful medicines in golden berries, including vitamin A, vitamin K, and the withanolides, are fat-soluble. If you eat these berries on an empty stomach or without a healthy fat source, your body simply cannot absorb the majority of the healing molecules. To eat a golden berry right, you must pair it with a healthy fat, like raw almonds, yogurt, or avocado. The fats act as a delivery vehicle, unlocking the medicine and ensuring it reaches your cells. Furthermore, many people are put off by the slightly sticky or waxy feel of the skin once the papery husk is removed. Do not wash this off aggressively. That waxy coating contains concentrated resinous compounds that protect the fruit's antioxidants. Also, never eat golden berries while they are still green or unripe. Like other members of the nightshade family, unripe golden berries contain solanine, which can cause digestive distress or headaches. Of course, even a DNA-protecting superfood like the golden berry requires some strategy. Because they are potent biomodulators, people with autoimmune conditions should introduce them slowly to see how their system responds to the withanolides. Additionally, because golden berries are effective at naturally lowering blood pressure and acting as a mild diuretic, those already on medication for hypertension or kidney issues should consult with their physician. Most importantly, avoid the sugar-dried trap. Many commercial Inca berries are infused with apple juice or cane sugar to mask their natural tartness. This refined sugar causes inflammation that directly counteracts the berry's anti-inflammatory power. Always seek out raw, organic, fresh berries or unsweetened, sun-dried versions to ensure you are getting the pure healing power of the plant. Stop treating the goldenberry as just a garnish and start treating it as the cellular repair and hormone balancing miracle it truly is. Your liver, your eyes, and your cells will thank you.